to change your mobile number in your Aadhaar card online in 2025, start by visiting the official UIDAI website. Once there, go to the My Aadhaar section and click on the Book an Appointment option under the Get Aadhaar tab. You'll need to select your city or location and then click on Proceed to Book Appointment. Next, enter your mobile number and the CAPTCHA code shown on the screen, then click Get OTP. After receiving the OTP on your phone, enter it and click Verify OTP. Now enter your Aadhaar number and name. Make sure to check the option to update the mobile number and then input the new mobile number you want to link. After verifying the number, you'll be asked to fill in the appointment details. You can choose to make the payment for this update online or directly at the Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Once your appointment is booked, you'll receive an acknowledgement slip with all the details. Finally, visit the Aadhaar Seva Kendra at the scheduled time and complete your biometric verification. After successful verification, your mobile number will be updated in the Aadhaar database within a few working days.